Hello and thank you for listening to our soundbite here at Legacy Telecom. Today we're looking at sustainable purchasing. This shift in the way we purchase will ultimately save you money, but also reduce the carbon footprint of your business. We have a hashtag that we've pushed over the years, which is hashtag Think Save Repair. This initiative encourages businesses to repair the devices rather than buying new. By choosing to repair your telephones or headsets, you are ethically contributing to a healthier environment by reducing electronic waste. As part of the sustainable purchasing, today we're looking at telephone repair service. We're confident in our repair capabilities, which is why we offer a no fix, no fee guarantee. If we're unable to repair your telephone, you won't incur any charges. This ensures you only pay for successful repairs. All repaired telephones come with new consumables, so additional curly cords and patch leads network cables, plus an additional 6-month warranty. This warranty provides peace of mind and ensures your device continues to perform optimally for longer. We believe that high quality telephone repair should be accessible to everyone. That's why we offer a competitive pricing for all our repairs. Plus, we'll provide a free quote before any work begins, so you know exactly what you're going to pay. Telephone repairs start from £35 per repair. If you wish to extend the life of your telephone hardware or bring back faulty devices back into service, then talk to Legacy Telecom. We're here to reduce your carbon footprint and increase your savings against additional telephony hardware. Call Legacy Telecom today on 01942 686 260 or check out our sustainability section on our website.